out your cup of sesame seeds, which is til. We call it til. I'm going to show the roasting of this in the microwave oven, because roasting in a kadai on the gas is going to be cumbersome. Roasting in the microwave oven is going to be very simpler, faster. So I'm going to use the combination grill and microwave. First I'll keep for 2.5 minutes. Sesame seeds are used as seasoning in various dishes, vegetable dishes, snack items, in cakes. They are powdered and used to make ladoos using jaggery. You can make a ladoo without powdering as well, and you can make powder which can be eaten with rice, and also in the idli dosa karam powder. It is an essential ingredient in that. So it's got various uses. Because it's rotating, you get even browning, which doesn't happen when done on gas. Actually, one can learn the timing by trial and error, and to suit your needs, you can roast it as per your requirement, your preference, like how brown you want, and it also depends on the size of your microwave and the quantity you're taken for roasting. So you learn it by experience. You see fumes coming out, so I think it should be roasted now. You can hear the crackling sound. So let it cool, and if I roast it more, then once you grind, the oil will come out, which should not happen. So I should not roast it more as well. So let it cool.